your boy Derek, the dopest detailer, and today I am going to speak a little bit about pickup and drop-off service when it's raining outside. So today I am working on one of my high-end clients' cars, Rolls-Royce Cullinan or whatever you call them, but he had a little fender bender on it. Not even so much a fender bender, he just had a scuff on the bumper that I got to get off of there. Big deal to him because you never want to have to take this car to the body shop and make that show up on the Carfax. So today I'm just going to be doing a pickup drop-off where I'm going to, well, I've already picked it up. I dropped my vehicle, left my vehicle at his location. It's raining here in Philadelphia, cats and dogs, but that don't stop the show. It's always something to do, and he's been wanting to get this done for a couple weeks now, but he hasn't been in a crazy rush. And I told him when I get a rainy day, I'll get his car in and get it taken care of. He had no problem with it. Obviously, now I'm doing the car. Again, this is just one of those types of services that you want to be able to offer your clients. Pick up, drop off. It still offers them a level of conveniency to know that they don't have to leave from their place of work or even their home to get a service, and their car is going to be taken care of by the detailer that they're used to dealing with. They can get things done. Basically taking off the paint that was transferred onto his bumper from another vehicle. But you know, it's probably it's a good haul, let's call it that way. Pickup drop-off service for those real cold days, you know, that's when it really works for me. I'll go pick up 3 or 4 cars in a day. Bring them back to my shop. Everything is within 5 to 10 miles at the most radius. Try not to go any further than that, because at that point it just becomes a little, it becomes not really worth it to go out any further than 10 miles. So I try to keep everything within a 10-mile radius. And there's a minimum on the service that I'll provide. Has to be at least a mini detail, or shampoo or wash and wax or something like that. Full details obviously are the ones that you want, but you know, it can't be like a maintenance joint. It has to be at least a mini detail. And you know, it works. It works. You know, you do the math to how many vehicles you're getting in a week off of your pickup drop-off, as opposed to if you didn't offer it and you would have to go out and do it. You know, and I guess this also holds true for guys. This is really for guys that have shops and are mobile. You don't have a shop, then you can't pick up and drop off to nothing. And as I've said in other videos of mine, you don't necessarily have to have your own shop. You just have a location that you're renting out, that you're subleasing inside of another business or something like that. Just a place to bring your vehicles. You know, you find a place to bring your vehicles, work something out with the landlord or the business owner who's already at that location, and boom, you got a spot where you can do your cars in the wintertime. So basically the show don't stop just because it's cold outside, because it's raining outside, or whatever the case may be. You know, usually on rainy days, I'm doing ceramic coatings. I love to get my ceramic coatings in on the rainy days, because then I know I'm gonna have that car for a day or two, and I can take my time, do what I need to do, and I have the space to do it. And again, like I said, this is just, you know, a message to the guys that have the spots, especially out here on the East Coast where the weather gets real tricky, gets real crazy. You know, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so I'm going to make this short today, as I always do, because I'm driving and that's dangerous. You shouldn't be driving and recording at the same time. But I just wanted to, you know, touch bases. And I ask that you, as always, like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Alright, this is your boy Derek, the dopest detailer. Thank you again for tuning in. please tell your family and your friends. And as I said, if you like the vibe, hit and subscribe. All right, peace.